Good afternoon, children. Today you will continue chapter crop production and its management. Chapter was completed. You have read agricultural practices. Lastly, you had read about crop improvement, in which you had read green revolution and hybridization. Today I will discuss question answer of this chapter. First question is fill in the blanks. Children, I have already told you to write the objective questions answer in the book with the help of pencil. So fill in the blanks, match the following, and multiple choice question you will do in the book with the help of pencil. First question is fill in the blanks, in which in first one you have to fill plowing. In second you will fill weeds. In third you have to write rhizobium, and in second fill in the blanks you will write leguminous. Fourth, sun dried. Fifth, emasculation. Now question number B is match the following. Sickle, you will write harvesting, because harvesting is done with the help of sickle, which is called hasiya or kachia in Hindi. Next is tractor. Tractor is used for plowing, so this side you have to match with plowing. Third is seed drill. Seed drill is used to sow the seeds, so you have to match with sowing. Next is combine. You have to match with threshing. And last is silo. It is used for storage of grains, so you will match it with storage. Now question number C. Tick the correct option. 4 choices are there. Out of 4, 1 is correct answer. You have to take that answer. Okay? Like first one, correct answer is crop rotation. Second, correct answer is rice. Third, correct answer is manure. In fourth, correct answer is winnowing. And in fifth, correct answer is kharif crops. With this, your objective type questions are complete. Now we will proceed to descriptive question answer. Question number D. First question is, why is the use of a seed drill more advantageous as compared to sowing seeds by broadcasting? You have read that broadcasting is a method in which seeds are scattered with the help of hand. So seeds are sown not at proper distance and not at proper depth. But seed drill is a device in which a funnel is there. It is attached with a pipe, and the seeds are put in the funnel, and through the pipe this seed drill is attached to the plow. Now through the seed drill the seeds are sown in the field at proper distance and at proper depth. Okay, so seed drill is better than broadcasting. Next question. Babu wants to practice crop rotation. Help him by suggesting what kind of crops can be grown between 2 consecutive cereal crops. Children, you know that Babu should grow leguminous crops between 2 consecutive cereal crops. Next part of the question is, provide him names of 1 Rabi and 1 Kharif crop that can be used to replenish the nitrogen content of the soil. So you have to write 1 Rabi crop is pea. that will replenish nitrogen in the soil. And one kharif crop is soya bean, which will replenish nitrogen in the soil. Next question. If rice is sown in the month of November, how is the produce likely to be impacted and why? All of you have read, children. Rice is a kharif crop and November is the month of Rabi crop. Rice requires more water for its cultivation and November is dry month. No rainfall takes place. So the production of the crop or production of rice will be not good. The rice crops will not grow in this season because the suitable season for the growth of rice is June to October. It is a kharif crop. It requires more quantity of water. So it depends on monsoon, and Rabi crops are grown in winter season. November falls in Rabi crop season. November is not suitable for the cultivation of rice because it falls under Rabi season. Okay, so it is not good season for cultivation of rice. If the rice is sown in this time, then there will be water scarcity, due to which cultivation of crops will be highly impacted and it may become dry and it may not grow. Next question is, what are crumbs? Why should they be broken? You have read, children. Big pieces of soil is called crumb. Why should they be broken? Crumbs are broken or they are crushed so that proper air circulation may take place in the soil. It helps in proper circulation of air in the soil. So, for the improvement of air circulation, the crumbs need to be broken. Crumbs are big pieces of soil. Why they need to be broken? They need to be broken so that air circulation may take place properly in the soil. Okay, it improves air circulation in the soil. Next question is, define the term transplantation. List 2 advantages. Children, you have read, in some plants like paddy, chili, tomato, brinjal, the seeds are firstly sown in a small plot called nursery, and when the seedlings are formed, then these seedlings are transferred to the main field. This process is called transplantation. Next part of the question is, write 2 advantages of it. First advantage is, farmers can select only healthy plants. Second advantage is it ensures uniform availability of water, sunlight, nutrients, etc. to the plant. So this is about the advantage of transplantation. Next question is, state the advantage of plowing the soil. State the different ways through which it is done. Children, you have read, plowing is the process of loosening and turning of soil. So advantage of plowing is it improves air circulation so that roots can get air and can respire easily. Second advantage is roots can penetrate deeper in the soil, so it holds the plant firmly in the soil. Third advantage is It helps to enhance water holding capacity of the soil. In the sandy soil, water will be retained in the soil, and in the clayey soil, water may drain out through the plowing. So it helps in retaining water holding capacity. Next is plowing uproots the weeds. Weeds means unwanted plants are uprooted through plowing, and these unwanted plants dry and mix with the soil and add nutrient in the soil. So you have read different methods of plowing. Next part of the question is how plowing is done. State the different ways through which it is done. Plowing is done with the help of iron plow. Okay children, which is pulled either by oxen or it is done by tractor. So there are two methods. First method is plowing is done by wooden or iron plow, which is pulled by oxen or by tractor. So today you will learn all these question answers. You will write in the notebook and then you will learn it. I will send the photo of these question answers and that you will note down. Thank you children.